Imara.
Hola.
Merry Christmas.
Hey. Now I'm recording.
Coming here for.
Oh, I forgot. I just started getting involved with the camera. Getting a Christmas present for Astrid. I know it's like reverse, it's hard to manage. Yeah. I look like sketchy. Did you see my Doc Martens over there for the taking?
Yes, as with my throat.
Oh my gosh, mother. Get it, get it. Who, huh, she, huh. And the thing is that they, oh my god, I did my toe. I'm so embarrassed. Power is less than 30%? Wow, that's crazy. Okay, bye. It like kind of looks scary.
Oh, it makes like a big sound. I'm almost there.
Is it tangled? Hey everybody.
We're in Seattle.
Like look.
Oh, you guys meet the cat. He's downstairs.
Can you see
Oh,
yourself?
you can see yourself.
How vintage. Soon.
I am antique.
I wanted one because I wanted to do vlogs. But like not like, hey guys, this is what I'm doing today.
Real.
Artsy shot. Hey, I'm at a vintage store. This is gonna look so cool when it's edited. Gold. Whoa. I actually like those.
Nice shoes,
Nice
bud. Do
shoes.
you play
They're so
soccer?
cool. Just kidding. It's a chair. Lead the way.
On-ish.
I thought this was a person. I don't know. It looks like people in a mail room.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, I can't even see him. Night mode. This night mode. Oh! Oh my god! Look at it, boy. I can see you. Ew. Oh my gosh, it's like a ghost hunting show. Oh. Yeah! Space Needle?
Yeah, it is. With the
Ah. I was trying to get the lyrics of the song and then it went away. Lyrics. Wait, where'd it go? So
androgynous, I keep confusing them. Think I'm a polygamist, I want like two of them. Wake up in the morning, see the life I wanna live. I can't get distracted trying to live my life with them. I know I'm a prodigy, they say they're proud of me. And honestly, I gotta be, cause there's a God in me. Shooting for a higher self, a higher frequency. And you don't gotta touch me, I could feel your energy. I'm going all the way. Drove through the rain. Went against odds. I'll never lose. Got a house in Hollywood, that means she probably would. I think.
Sometimes I can make designs, but not usually. Not today.
Alone again. It looks
Not
like
quite filled enough.
looks like a fetus.
Could you make some art?
Maybe I could try, but
I made a blob.
wow, that's pretty circle.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It looks kind of like a lily pad. Don't know it's lost till you find. They walking out in public in your city in a cutlass. Got a world, watch these haters getting mad. We gon' take over the world.